Yes, definitely. The question was, do I agree with this statement that one of the three will suffer: work, family, or friends? Yes, 100%. So with me, friendship suffered. I have not spent any time with my friends properly in the last 10, 12 years of my life. Like, I can count the amount of times I've gone out with my friends. It's definitely way under 10 in the last 10 years of my life, because I've been so focused on making sure that I'm around with my family's life, my children's life, and I'm also building up this business, which I have. So friendships suffered. And the only reason why my family never suffered is because the type of job which I worked, I just brought my family in it. My son, from when he was born, spent one... And when I look back, to be very honest, I don't even understand how I did this, but my son would spend one day in the barbershop with me. I used to have my son on my back cutting hair. I'm not joking. Like, anyone at call-outs, I'd go with them. Like, I'm not going to say the names, but the amount of, like, people, like, which have just looked after my son, because I'm cutting this person's hair, but it's kind of like X, Y, and Z celebrity, is entertaining my son while I'm cutting this person's hair, But because of the job which I have, I'm able to bring my children into that. So my family never suffered, but if I wasn't able to bring them around that, then they would have suffered, because when would I have spent time with my family? When would I have spent time with my children? It's just fortunate that I could bring them along the way. So in that situation, two things would have suffered. It would have been my family, and in most cases, it probably is two things that suffer. It is your family and your friends. Most of the time, when you're focused on your business, it's just your business. And that's why I said it's important to be almost building something up that's going to allow you to actually live and not constantly building for the rest of your life. So now I'm in a place where I'm so on with my friends, let's meet up, let's do stuff, because I'm such in a place where it's like, I now want to live more balanced. Tomorrow night, I'm going out with two of my friends, and I can't remember the last time we went out. And this is happening tomorrow night, because I'm in that season now where it's like, I just want to enjoy. And it's good to work hard, but you've got to be working hard towards a purpose and a goal, and not just working hard for the rest of your life.